Deepika and other students, other friends. Okay, now we are coming to episode 7 in Word Power. Word Power, episode 7. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Bizarre, B-I-Z-A-R-E. Bizarre means strange. Depravity, D-E-P-R-A-V-I-T-Y. Depravity means wickedness. Conform, C-O-N-F-O-R-M. Conform means accordance. Psychosis, P-S-Y-C-H-O-S-I-C. Psychosis means severe mental disorder. Symbolism, S-Y-M-B-O-L-I-S-M. Symbolism means use of symbols to represent ideas. Posited, P-O-S-I-T-E-D. Posited means put forward an agreement. Heretofore, H-E-R-E-T-O-F-O-R-E. Heretofore means before now. Racetrack, R-A-C-E-T-R-A-C-K. Racetrack means a track for motor racing. A track for motor racing is called racetrack. Precipitation, P-R-E-C-I-P-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Precipitation means frozen water in the atmosphere. Spiral, S-P-I-R-A-L. Spiral means coil. Degeneracy, D-E-G-E-N-E-R-A-C-Y. Degeneracy means quality of being degenerate. Counterforce, C-O-U-N-T-E-R-F-O-R-C-E. Counterforce means force to attack. Sloppy, S-L-O-P-P-Y. Sloppy means excessively casual. Sloppy means excessively casual. Enthrall, E-N-T-H-R-A-L. Enthrall means captivate. Enthrall means captivate. Observant, O-B-S-E-R-V-A-N-T. Observant means alert. Grain, G-R-A-I-N. Grain means cereal. Better off, B-E-T-T-E-R. Better, O-F-F off. Better off means advantageous position. Dam, T-A-M-N. Dam means condemn. Agonize, A-G-O-N-I-S-E. Agonize. Undergo great mental anguish. Defy, D-E-F-Y. Defy. Openly resist. Fall apart, F-A-L-L. Fall, A-P-A-R-T. Apart. Fall apart means disintegrate. Portray, P-O-R-T-R-A-Y. Portray means represent. Slack, S-L-A-C-K. Slack means loose. Sprinkles, S-P-R-I-N-K-L-E-S. Sprinkles mean small drops. Uninflected, U-N-I-N-F-L-E-C-T-E-D. Uninflected means not undergoing changes. Muck up, M-U-C-K. Muck, U-P up. Muck up means mishandle something. Contiguous, C-O-N-T-I-G-U-O-U-S. Contiguous means adjacent. Blah blah, B-L-A-H. Blah, B-L-A-H. Blah. Blah blah means without meaning, without meaningful content is called blah blah. Sneakily, S-N-E-A-K-I-L-Y. Sneakily means in a sly way. Arc, A-R-C. Arc means circle. Dole out, D-O-L-E. Dole, O-U-T. Out. Dole out means give. Flapping, F-L-A-P-P-I-N-G. Flapping, moving up and down. Flapping. Aerodynamic, A-E-R-O-D-Y-N-A-M-I-C. Aerodynamic means moving through air. Underneath, U-N-D-E-R-N-E-A-T-H. Underneath means below. Cinematography, C-I-N-E-M-A-T-O-G-R-A PHY. Cinematography means art of making films. Impetus. IMPETUS. Impetus means force. Swine out. SWINE. Swine. OUT. Out. Swine out means eat greedily. Wine. WHINE. Wine. Moragatam. Hey. HEY. Hey means joy. Semantics. SEMANTICS. Semantics mean word meanings. Abstraction. ABSTRACTION. Abstraction means absent mind. Artistry. ARTISTRY. Artistry means artistic practice. Grave. GRAVE. Grave means serious. Squeak. 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 Short, high-pitched cry is called squeak. Squeak. Thespian's art. THESPIAN''S. Thespian's art. 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 Thespian's art means drama. Pomposity. POMPOSITY. Pomposity means self-importance. Mauling. MAULING. Mauling means tearing flesh off. Snap around. SNAP. Snap. AROUND. Around. Snap around means beat around the bush. Burn. BARN. Burn. Dhanyappu kottu. Hoe. 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 Blade. Trowel. TROUGH. Trowel. Long, narrow, opening. Kernel. KERNEL. Kernel means hard shell of a nut. Divest. DIVEST. Divest means rid. Divest means rid. Travelogue. TRAVELOGUE. Travelogue means illustrated lecture about travel. Spruce up. SPRUCE. Spruce. UP up. Spruce up means neatly dress. Capitalize. CAPITALISE. Capitalize means used to one's advantage. Intricate. INTRICATE. Intricate means complicated. Interchange. INTERCHANGE. Interchange means exchange things with each other. Guise. 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 Guise means మారువేషం. యాంటీథెటికల్. ANTITHETICAL. యాంటీథెటికల్ మీన్స్ కాంట్రాస్ట్. రోసియేట్. ROSEATE. రోసియేట్ మీన్స్ ఐడియలిస్టిక్. స్మాగ్. SMOG. స్మాగ్ మీన్స్ ఫాగ్. Verily. WEARILY. Verily means very tired. Assiduous. ASSIDUOUS. Assiduous means hard working. Raking shot. RAKING. Raking. SHOT. Shot. Raking shot means top shot. In filmmaking, in shooting, they use this raking shot means top shot is raking shot. Taffy. 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 Taffy అంటే ఒక దేశస్థుడు. Bang. 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 Short sound. Loud short sound is bang. In films we say interval bang. Quiddities. QUIDDITIES. Quiddities means essence of things. Tugging. TUGGING. Tugging means pulling. Trace. TRAITS. Trace mean characteristics. Idiosyncrasies. IDIOSYNCRASIES. Idiosyncrasies mean attitudes. Yodeling, 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 sing with melody. Peppy manner, PEPPY, peppy manner, MANNER, manner. Peppy manner means lively and full of energy. Manner is called peppy manner. Redeem, REDEEM, redeem means వదిలించు. Bobbity, BOBBITY, bobbity means an interest in the welfare of humanity. An interest in the welfare of humanity is called bobbity. All people should have bobbity. Obstreperous, OBSTREPEROUS, obstreperous means turbulent. Gingerly, GINGERLY, gingerly means carefully. Fade out, FADE, fade, OUT, out. Fade out, మసకబారిపోవడం. In camera we use fade in, fade out. In film making they use in camera language. Fade in, మసకగా ఉన్న బొమ్మ క్లియర్గా కనపడటం. Fade out, fade in, fade out మసకబారటం, fade in మసకగా ఉన్న బొమ్మ క్లియర్గా కనపడటం. Suckling, SUCKLING, suckling means పాలు తాగటం. పాలు తాగటాన్ని ఇంగ్లీష్లో సక్లింగ్ అంటాం. పిగ్లెట్స్, PIGLETS, పిగ్లెట్స్ పంది పిల్లలు, పిగ్లెట్స్. జక్స్టాపోజిషన్, JUXTAPOSITION, juxtaposition, placing things side by side is called juxtaposition. Harness, HARNESS, harness means in service. We say he died in harness means that person died in while in service. Boy, BUOY, boy. Uplift, manipulate, MANIPULATE, manipulate means arrange or manage to one's own advantage. That's called manipulating. Okay? With this episode ended. We'll meet in another episode in Word Power. Okay?